Right guys, we have an update regarding the release of the iPhone Fold, and so let's delve into it. But first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And with that being said, let's just tuck in. Right, so this is coming from a Korean source who's not very credible, so do take this with a massive grain of salt. So they believe Samsung's going to be doubling their foldable OLED production lines by next year, but this initially should just be for Samsung products. However, the main point for us is that production for the iPhone Fold should start at the end of 2022/2023, so that means we could be 1 year away from the iPhone Fold, which is pretty exciting. Now, if I were to guess on a specific release timeframe, I do think it's going to be September 2023, because obviously Apple does follow a 3-year cycle with the iPhones, and so 2023 should be the next super cycle, and so this could be the next big thing in the iPhone world, much like the iPhone X was. And so yes, putting this in early production at the beginning of 2023 could make sense, and of course things ramp up when it releases to the public at the end of 2023. Also, to be fair, I can see Apple not rushing into things with this iPhone Fold, since of course if there was a durability issue with these foldables, Apple would be in big trouble, because unlike Samsung, who does not sell a ton of foldables, Apple undoubtedly is going to sell a ton of iPhone Folds, and so the larger the user base, the more likely we see cases of broken foldable devices. And so yes, I do think Apple's going to let Samsung improve the durability first, and then put the iPhone Fold into mass production. Now, as for the specs, we don't know much about the iPhone Fold, but if I were to guess, I do see the larger display being based on the iPad mini, because that and the Galaxy Fold are very similar sizes, and so I do kind of see the iPhone Fold being a foldable iPad mini for the most part. And that would be pretty cool, because having the power of iPadOS to use on the go would be pretty insane. And of course, having the ability to fold it and use it as a regular iPhone is also pretty nice. Now, the final question some of you guys might have is the price. How much is this iPhone Fold gonna be? Well, to be honest, I do think it's going to be above $2,000, since of course, Apple is usually more expensive than their competition. But to be fair, by 2023, the Galaxy Fold might be a lot cheaper, and also the foldable tech itself could be a lot easier to produce, and so maybe this could be under $2,000. Anyways, tell me in the comments below, guys, would you be interested in buying the iPhone Fold? Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. Check out the video in the card above on details regarding the M1 Max Mac Mini, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya, peeps.